We are star.
I want you to cool it. But you see, every time I cool it down, it's them through hot water pants, you hear?
Oh, we are pine finger pan. When you deal with black boy, anything or anything cold.
Come out, I'm a face with that. Oh, yeah, do.
I'm sorry, gentlemen. Andrew didn't make it.
So have you contacted the child yet?
No. I think I'm going to let that stay until around next week, you know.
Why did he have to send the money to you and Hype?
You ready? Hi. I have something to say, you know. And this is the first time I'm going to say this.
I hope it's not another disappointment. You
know. No. Just a surprise. Before Andrew died, he sent me 20 grand.
I'm listening.
And the money is for his son.
Son? Andrew don't have any son. He have 2 daughters.
Yes, he has a son in Manchester. And as you know, I and Andrew is not the greatest of friends.
So why leave the money with you and not the mother?
Well, the mother in this case is my sister.
I never know nothing about that.
Well, Hype is a long story between him and Hype. But what I want you to do for me, one of these days when you have the time, I would like you to take me to Manchester to give her the money. Please.
All right.
Thanks in advance.
Nice, man. Say when gunshot a ring up like a bell, you have no hope, no one fit tell you lock up in a house as if you living in a cell. And next door when my cousin dwell him youth have asthma head, that's well him can't get no better sake of the ear and the smell. Politician go on, TV them a swarm. Me change my channel and yarn. We used to be like family, me brethren cross the good gully, but politic economy, ya turn me in a enemy, ya 20 grand for kill me. That them pay Tony, 2 chrome, 9 and a double mount. Special the same mother grow we, same anti-school we, same buckle them we used to sell for lunch money, yo the same way me know him, same way him. What do you think?
I like it, wicked.
Yeah?
Yeah man, as long as we like it. I need some dirty drums behind it, you know? Kick it up style and...
No, you have them thing there so.
Yeah, but we have a machine, man. I will lock it down. Bad.
So, man, go on, right?
Yeah, man. Wicked. All right.
So on to this.
I don't know, look at the light blow.
Blow saying on a bulb.
No. Me not buy a bulb, all me do is turn on light.
So what the man do a buy a bulb? Listen, let me tell you something. You know it's a #1 tune where I do the video for?
You look like a musician. All me do is turn on light, brethren.
So, man, you just fix the light. And fix it fast too. Pierre!
Yes, sir?
So we have fun puff, boy.
My boyfriend invited to my birthday, sir.
Get a new boyfriend. Listen, everything ready for the set? Everything sorted out?
Almost, sir. The camera's giving me a problem.
So we having camera problems in here, cry about your lousy boyfriend? Eh? You think I'm running a family counseling here? If you not sort out what you need to sort out, you got more than boyfriend problems. You understand? Get busy! Sure.
Taylor, I hope you don't mess up this time, you know. Because this thing is big. Very big.
Ah, the jacket is ready that it grabs it. Yeah, what? Hey, how are the size for the one when you mark again? Last measurement.
Let me see. Taylor.
Taylor. It too big?
What on earth you was thinking, man? Eh? Imagine, you got do time at prison. And now me I try to retrieve your career. And you try to pop down for me. Taylor, you know, she said the jacket too small.
All right, tell you what, all right. We will make it bigger and we will carry it come down there and show. At what time I show what time?
Taylor, it's not a show. It's a music video shoot. And furthermore, the man them now want to see you. We can't even make them know say you do the clothes them.
Oh yeah, go on so that they grabs the man. Just give man a chance to survive the man. Hey, try me a try thing, you know, grabs the man. Hey, I'm 15 years me do in a prison, you know. I mean, I want to go back into that slammer there, you know, and that it grabs the man. Just give me a chance to survive the man.
Taylor, you cut me throat now, man. If I don't survive, you don't survive.
All right, me sorry. Me sorry. Hey, all right, daddy grabs it. Tell you what. You buy a shirt, and we will make it up with you in the future, see?
Taylor, look here. Settle down and get it right this time. You know what I can do? I can send a young lady down here to help you. But that simply means I am going to take a stake in the business. So, as from now on, this business belongs to the both of us. All right? Come, give me the...
All right, daddy grabs it. Anything you said, daddy grabs it.
Yeah, man, give me that.
All right, daddy grabs it. Anything you said, boss.
Nice, all right. You take care of later.
As usual, Mr. Wedderburn. Now, if by chance you need to go to the doctor to check your prostate, I'd be willing to take you. I have my driver's license now.
Complete waste of time. Before I allow you to drive me to the doctor, I'd commit suicide.
Oh, wouldn't that be a marvelous idea?
Mommy, come back here, man.
Very pleasant day to you, Mr. Wedderburn.
Una bread butter, I gotta look mine.
Mommy,
Yeah?
guess what?
What?
Me and the crew went on tour next week.
Tour? Yeah. What you say to me? Lord, thank you, Papa Jesus. Mwah, thank you. Me glad for you know, man. Your father left you with me. And I make a lot of sacrifice. And me just glad to see how it appear off. Me glad to see how things falling into place now, man. Lord have mercy. Anyway, when you're there on your tour, just remember me and your grandmother, you see? Oh, by the way, we'll be coming up in 2 days' time to see the goat.
Mommy, you know what that mean?
You tell me.
You have to find a new lookalike goat.
Exactly.
Hype! We better than. We better than. We say we better than. The other hand. Alright then. Lights, camera, action, start it. Run out of gas, try push, no park it. No problem, a Jamaican talk it. We get a couple million now we on at the target. You ever think what you would do if you get this money? Me that buy a house, a car. Me the girls name honey, but that's a if I probably a when. Or if you get lucky, it really all depends on me. We are star. Real star.
It's official Benzly Hype Stars. Me and my bro, Army G, bless up, you know. We there, so if you want Me and Mi KRU stuff, just get the link here. See, you want Benzly Hype videos, get the link here. Innocent Kru stuff, click the link there. You understand? This is the official video, so subscribe. One of the new things. You see me I say, you're there, you don't know. You know, wait for a minute, but we're back. So follow me now. You don't know. See?